Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm in St. Elizabeth. I'm right at the Southfield Health Center. That's a clinic. Yeah man, the rooftop blow right off the people. So anyhow you can reach out to them people and give them some support. I would love for you to give them some support. Yeah man, clinic top blow right off. St. Elizabeth Health Center, Southfield area. Whole heap of mango up on the dirt here, so big up on yourself anyone who watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself. On the tour guide Fire Reid is right here giving us some beautiful content, so you can know what take place in our beautiful island Jamaica, you know. So anyone out there, subscribe to the channel, share, also like the video free of cost. Yeah man. So I'm right in the Southfield area, heading towards Sea View. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah, my people, so right now I travel from morning, I can't find no shop open like that yet. Telling the truth, I kind of feel like a bit crap up, you know. Crap up meaning stomach wants something to eat. So don't know, say me have to hold to the mango there on the tree and go and eat to the mango there. So that's how we do it when they come on to life in the country. Hungry can't kill nobody at Jamaica so easy. So find something to eat. It may not be what you like to eat, but put something on the stomach. Yeah man. So enjoy the tour Fire Reid. I'm heading towards the Sea View direction. Try to see what's taking place in this area. I will keep you all up to date. Wow. Like the sun will come out. A lot of people get damaged, man. A lot of people stuff get damaged. Not people in person, but their property, animal, building. Yeah, a lot of people get a lot of setback right now. A lot of setback in the area. See how you see, I know this place not gonna have any internet for a little while. Also electricity. I don't know how long this place gonna come back, you know. Don't know how long it's gonna take, but the place mash up. The place mash up, my people. The place mash up. You mash up. Yeah, man. Still have to give thanks same way, you know. This house top tear off here, so fly come weird on your so heavy wind. So I'm now in the Sea View area. Yeah man, Sea View. Who remember one stall where they put up right here, so they put up one stall right here, so the other day where them sell them vegetable. See it? That is stall they blow down. Blow right down. Come like when the breeze come from the south side and not normal. Nothing normal. Body out and pays and see what I go on. Nobody, I don't know if everybody going to work today. Everybody have to make sure them set up them place and secure them place. A lot of people place stay down, man. A lot of people place. A lot of people place stay down. Hey, Flo have a lot of work for do. When you talk about flow. Don't know when internet gonna come back in Jamaica. Yeah man, so this is the sea view area. Remember that local sign or something? All of them things are blow down, man. You know pretty me people, you know pretty. I appreciate it, you know. Thanks a lot, yeah. Yeah man, see, boss here, me take up a line out of the road. So I saw I go into the area. People, you see that building here? A lot of people face it. See it? Nice building. Whole of the top blow off. The whole of the top blow off. It not pretty at all, my people. St.Elizabeth and Jamaica facing it. Wow. I know nothing normal. Can't get no gas station locked down. Can't get no gas none at all. So I go on, gas pump, blow down. Gas pump, blow down. Take the breezer play. Yo, I don't know what I go on at the place here. It not pretty, me people, it not pretty. Why more than bad? Why St.
How do you road look?
Bad.
Where fire come from?
We from mountainside, we know mountainside.
So sitting in a black?
No, you run a black. But you cheese the all about all over the
We are the
place.
black. No, so I come down earlier this morning. So I feel me here supposed to mash up a quarters.
Big quarters? Well, we never expect say that so bad run so.
And that thing yesterday me I said to somebody me I said to them Tuesday me I said this a stand there quiet man.
Terrible
and
man.
Says, hello, we turn up and watch the limb up. You see all the court night here that is strangulation one.
You know a new building I build up down so one tall building we just start building so.
A new house?
New house, then just a roofy. Every lumber of it top come off.
One deck in the up there so not so bad. It's a good thing say then the deck it first. You can go and cast it.
Manners, yeah. Alright, cool. You're rough, the people, you're rough. Never expect this about it, you know. Life, you know. Cangle in the wind. Welcome to St.Elizabeth. The bread basket. Taking you all to Southfield Square, you know. See what I go on at Southfield Square. Whole heap of zinc in the road. I hear some place smash up, man. What not talk about? What not taxi? What not taxi, man? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. It's a something for you know pretty me people. So thank you all for watching the channel. So I am in the Southfield Square area. Yeah man, this is what it look like here. See where they me try to figure how the money machine there. Yo people them are easy, you know. People them let them tear down your money machine, eh? Yeah man. So thank you all for watching the channel.